Okay, now this video is addressing the problem of how do you turn in your homework when you don't have school. And the answer to that is, I hope you didn't do a whole lot in handwriting because you're going to have to email me your homework for last week. And I'm going to explain some of it now to make sure that we're on the same page, you and I. Here in front of me is one of the assignments that I gave you. This was to correct, or at least make better, improve the thesis statements you did for me last week. And I need to remind some of you to get those into me. I still have them here in front of me. And I'll compare the new improved version to the old version. At any rate, here are these 5 that I picked out simply because I thought they were clear enough at what was wrong. Not so much wrong as not worded as well as I would have hoped. Each one of these will do in an essay, but they're not worded with as much craft as I would like. So you were to rewrite these, email them to me. If you did it in handwriting, you can take a picture of it and send that to me. But since it was to have been done for Wednesday, I would like this emailed to me Wednesday, okay? This was the one on the thesis statements in topic 3. And I need to go back. No one has said anything to me, but I think this is darn funny. Okay, moving on. Topic 2, the homework list itself. Okay, obviously, we're not going to do vocabulary online, so just put that off for another week. I just did mention the thesis exercise, and I did not show you, but you know in the same place is a group of mostly overwritten thesis statements. You can just leave out the adjectives and improve it immensely. I need that emailed to me also. Now, you don't have to try to send me your copy of The Raven with the terms written on it. We can talk about that in class when we do get together. But I do need you to work on your sonnet drafts. I also would like very much to see what you did with this assignment of finding the rhyme scheme of a song you like. So please do email that to me also. Again, if it's a very long one, just use 10 to 12 lines, whatever a couple of stanzas are. I did ask you to come up with a draft, a very rough draft of an essay on one of those thesis topics. So I will need to see that too, and I'll need to see that right away. Do not put this off until next Tuesday. This was due Wednesday, and I would like it as soon as possible. Thank you. The grammar is a little iffy. I don't want to go on into infinitives, which is what I was going to do, until I know for sure that most of you really understand the difference between participles and gerunds and when they are verbs and when they are the mutant verbals. Pretty much no one did well on the assignment Oh Joy Gerunds or on the pernicious participles that I gave you. And I am hoping to see that the 4-level analysis is better, but I'm not sure it will be. So I am going to do a whole separate little video on participles and gerunds, and an assignment will be due for next week based on those. For this week, if you can, take a picture of your 4-level diagrams, or if you manage to do it on the computer like Luke does, I wish I knew how he did that, then email it to me. I really need to see that you're understanding. The gerund and the participle assignments that I've been giving you, either you don't understand the assignment, which is always a possibility, my assignments aren't too clear, or you really have no clue the difference between any of those forms and a preposition. I am really getting tired of your not knowing prepositions. Okay. I'm going to try to do a diagram video for you. So look for that. In the meantime, get this homework into me. And a few of you have more outstanding homework from the weeks before. I need that. You need to get it in. Thank you.